So my experience going up to the Kundra Pass was amazing. I'm so glad I went. I was thinking about not going, but I'm glad I changed my mind. I had to move my tent. I had to change camp spots. The guys, it's a really strange setup. There's two gates. One gate, you go and you pay the fee to go in the national park. And then literally 50 meters down, there's another gate, and you give them your passport and they register you. So when I came back, I talked to the guys who registered my passport, and they said, yeah, go to your tent, rest, relax, no problem. You can sleep here tonight, it's okay. And I'm thinking, yes, all right, it's good. My tent's set up, everything's ready to go. And I get down to the next gates and I start going down to my tent, and they're like, hey, you need to talk to the boss. Okay. And the guy told me I couldn't stay there, I had to leave. He said that his boss, which was the guy I met yesterday and shook his hand, he was the nicest guy, told them that I couldn't stay. So yeah, thanks man. But I cycled about 1 kilometer down the road, and I just came over to an area and I'm camping here because I don't want to go back to Sost tonight because there's not even a shower to do. No place has a shower at night. It's weird. You have to wait till the morning. So it's not like I'm gonna rush back and get there and be like, yeah, I can take a hot shower and then go to sleep. So I'll just camp here tonight and go back to Sost tomorrow morning. But Pakistan, so far amazing. One bad guy, a few bad guys. The truck drivers on the top, but I'd say after today, 99.9% of the people are amazing here. So yeah, such great hospitality. They're asking where I'm from, always wanting to take selfies, giving me food and water, and yeah, it was just a great experience so far for my literally my second day in Pakistan. I arrived at like 1 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, my second day. So far so good, Pakistan, love it. Okay, leaving Sost and heading to Pasu. He's trying to come in my tent? You have to go get your own tent. Come on. We're at the Batura Glacier. It's known as the Brown Glacier. Not a whole lot to look at, but you can definitely see why they call it the Brown Glacier. If you listen closely, you can hear rocks fall and drop all the time. It's constantly moving and water's flowing from the bottom of it. Yeah, it's alive, baby. I just spent 4 wonderful days at Pasu Tourist Lodge. I came in as a guest and I left like family, just as their card said. It's normally $38 to stay there a night, but they let people camp for free and even use the facilities. So hot showers, they had amazing food. Wow, I could have just eaten there every single day. The people were amazing. yeah, I felt really comfortable at home there. And I made one special friend who, he kind of ate my flip-flops, got into some of my food, but he was too cute to be mad at. So now I'm headed further south, going to Borth Lake and to Patsu Glacier. So we'll see you then. I just ran across Kudis. He's traveling a lot faster than me, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his bike trip. All right.
Hello, my name is Kudis Tarikiani, and I'm basically from Azad Kashmir, the Pakistani occupied part of Kashmir, and I study in Islamabad. So I started my trip yesterday from Punjab, and I'm planning to go to Karachi. The target time to do so is like 15 to 20 days, but hopefully I'll do that. My knee is hurting a little bit, but hopefully I'll do something. I got an accident 3 days back, but it is going good so far. So got to meet, what was your name?
Andy.
Andy, and it was really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man. Yeah. Good luck on your trip.
Thank you so much.
And we'll be in touch.
Yeah, sure.
I'm hiking to the Patsu Glacier. It's a pretty easy hike. I'm pretty much there. These views are just incredible. A lucky day today. Not too many clouds. A nice ride. I don't know whose idea it was to make a suspension bridge like this, but it's not, I really don't feel that safe. One little slip and you're gone. So if you want to have some fun and there's other people, you can swing this bridge. It's suspension. I made it across, but now I have to go back. I have a series of 5 tunnels coming up. A few are short, but 2 of them are really long. There's no lighting, so it's gonna be like Tajikistan, but they're clean, there's air coming through. I just need to have a good light. We'll see how it goes. This is the easy tunnel. I'm not too happy knowing that I have a really long tunnel in front of me. I might be walking my bike. This is the big tunnel. I'm gonna have to use my phone as a light. And there was a guy working back there. He didn't say anything like not to go or to wait for a truck, so I'm gonna give it a go. Here we go. I'm in the tunnel. Oh man. You can hear a car coming. I don't know which direction though. I think it's behind me. This is what the tunnel looks like when my flashlight's off. You can't see anything. Thank you, iPhone 8 flashlight. You saved my life. With the reflectors in the tunnel and the flashlight, I could see perfectly. It was great. This is just the baby tunnel. This is easy, but look at the reflectors. They're really nice. the final tunnel has lights at the top. Why don't they all have lights? Come on, China, don't get cheap on us. Put lights in all the tunnels. Hey, what are you guys doing in the middle of the street? Get over here. Come here. There's a car coming. Come over here. Hello. I'm in the town of Hoper, right in front of the Hoper Glacier, and it's also the starting point for the hike to Rush Lake. Some of the hikes, they do 4 days, 5, up to 7 days. You can actually do it, well, they said I could do it in 2 days, 1 there and 1 back, but the best would be to do it in 3. So that's what I'm gonna do. And they recommend a guide, but I don't like guides. There's no map, really. So they drew a map for me. You just check these maps out. After I cross 2 glaciers, which I will have some help from one of the guides. It's the kid's son here. He's gonna go with me. I come to a big rock, stay left. It's very steep, go up, zigzag, and then I see a point where there will be little zigzags, and then I go to the right, and I should reach Rush Lake. To get back from Rush Lake, I walk about 3 minutes, and then I go down, zigzagging to Farfari, and then I look for a big stone. He said it was a green stone, but he changed his mind. And then, and then I cross a glacier, and from there it's smooth sailing back. Wish me luck. I hope I make it back.